VideoInspector, the professional inspection system. The slim 7.9mm probe with 8 powerful LEDs provides clear visibility, even in complete darkness. The 1/4 inch thread allows the camera to be flexibly mounted, ensuring a stable hold in every application. Photos and videos can be captured effortlessly with direct storage via USB-C or microSD. The system is exceptionally bright, revealing every detail with razor-sharp clarity. The 3.5-inch display provides a crisp and clear image. Image captures are saved in high quality. The magnetic base provides a secure hold, leaving both hands free to work with the 1.5-meter-long probe. Zoom and image rotation functions offer the optimal view at any time. With IP68 protection, the probe is waterproof and resistant to oil, petrol, and dirt. 3 practical attachments, magnet, mirror, and hooks, expand its range of applications. The camera unit can be replaced at any time with additional compatible probes from the Laser Liner VideoInspector system. VideoInspector, the flexible system for a wide range of applications.